right, good afternoon, man. Who we got here?
Styles Rodriguez.
Styles, man. Man, you look stylish. What do you got going on today?
Gonna do some jumping.
Doing some jumping, man. That explains that super fancy suit you're wearing. About to go skydiving, huh?
Falling.
Yeah, man. Is it your first time?
Second time.
Second time. All right. Well, let's make this one as good as the first because you're here again, all right?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's have some fun.
Go.
Let's go. All right, man. We found us an airplane. You ready to get in this thing so we can get out?
Let's do it.
That's what I'm talking about, man. Get it. Here we go. Woo! Bend your right elbow, pull it down. There you go. There you go, right. Bend it to the left. Woo, all the way up. Slow it down, pull it both down together. All right, you got a good grip, right?
Yes, sir.
Canopy's yours. Keep her head in that direction, all right? There you go. Woo! Just all the way around, all the way around. Keep going. There you go. All right. There you go. Hold on, right there. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Alright, man, we did it. How was number 2?
Amazing, amazing, love it.
Yeah.
For number 3, let's do this.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Thank
you obviously did it again. You're probably going to do it more, ain't you?
Probably.
Dude, that was sick, dude. Thank you so much for
Thanks,
jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Yes!